For today's, we are gonna talk about my favorite artwork. But before going into that, let's talk about the definition of art itself. Art as a cult visual art a visual object of or experiment consciously created through an expression of skill or imagination. The term art represents the diverse media such as painting, sculpture, printmaking, drawing, decorative art, photography, and installation art. The oldest documented form of art are visual art, which is include image or object in fields like painting, sculpture, printmaking, photography, and other visual art media. Architecture is often included as one of the visual art. However, like the decorative art, it involves the creation of objects where the practical consideration of use are essential, in a way that the way usually are not in another visual art like a painting. Talk about a various kind of art media and artwork. My favorite artwork media is painting, which is a particular painting called the Big Wave in Kanagawa, which can be seen in the picture below. So this is the art. So the big wave in Kanagawa or Kanagawa Okinami-ura in Japanese language or under a wave in Kanagawa, also known as the big wave or simply the wave, is a woodcut concrete block by Japanese ukiyo-e artist Hokusai. It was published between 1829 and 1833 in the late Edo period. It is Hokusai's most famous work and one of the most famous work of Japanese art in the world. The Great Wave or Kanagawa Okinami-ura feature a small Mount Fuji that can be seen in the distance under the crest of a giant wave. This artwork first exists in the serif of the 36 views of Mount Fuji or Fugaku Sanjirokuke series. The series was begun in the 1830 when the artist was 70 years old. This impressive series established the popularity of landscape portrait or landscape print, which continues to this day. Perhaps the most striking about the series is Hokusai's abundance of use the newly available Berlin blue pigment. This pigment featured in many of the compositions in the color of the sky and water that can be seen in this artwork. And then the Mount Fuji is also one of the main element of this design that can be seen as the protagonist in each scene, viewed from afar or up close during various weather and some condition and season, and all from all direction. But from this case, Mount Fuji can be seen under the big wave of Kanagawa in the middle of the painting. But, okay, this print is one of the most reproduced and most insanely recognized artwork in the world, following the Meiji Restoration in Japan, ended up along a period of national isolation and became open to import from the West. In turn, much Japanese art came to Europe and America and quickly gained popularity. The influence of Japanese art on Western culture became known as Japonism. Japanese woodblock print became a source of inspiration for artists in many genres, particularly the Impressionists. Hokusai was seen as the emblematic Japanese artist, and images from his print and book influenced many different works, such as Vincent van Gogh, a great admirer of Hokusai, praised the quality of drawing and use of the line in the Great Wave, and said it had terrifying emotional impact. And then, in this particular piece of artwork, there is a French sculptor Camille Claude Lafague 1877 replaced the boats in Hokusai Gateway with Asian names. The image inspired Claude Debussy orchestral work La Mer and appeared on the cover of the Shocker first edition published by A. Dulin and Fields in 90 and 90 in 95. Cut. And another art that they got inspired from the artwork by Hokusai, the Japanese cut. And the another artwork that got inspired from the the artwork the Great Kanagawa with is the good analysis of the image used in contemporary product design contents that despite the outside visual authority it comment, the Great Wave does not communicate a uniform set of meaning. She stated that the image is arguably Japan's first global brand. Nothing now had is been widely adapted to style and advertise merchandise including home furnishing, clothing and accessory, beauty product, food and wine, stationery also and book. The logo used by the Quicksilver's clothing company was inspired by the woodcut they make. This featured on a limited vintage 2017 legal tender coin for Republic of Fiji, as created by Scott's Mint, and is to appear on Japanese 100 yen banknote from 2024. Oh, sorry, 1,000. And then Apple Mac OS and Ayers display a small version of the great wave as the image for the water wave emoji. At this point, we can agree that many modern artists have reinterpreted and adapted this image. Indigenous Australian artist Leon Onis used this great wave as the basis for his 1992 Mitchell and Ayer just slipping down the pop for a minute. A Walkman uprising by Japanese American artist Kozidan is based on the print, which is the form of the wave being replaced by rabbit. So at this point, we can agree that the Great Kanagawa wave have a huge impact on the art industry and art scene. So this is why the reason I really like this particular painting by Hokusai. I think that's it for me and everyone. Thank you for your attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.